Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about the right shift operators practical in Ruby. And today we will learn about the theory part of ternary operator in Ruby. This ternary operator will work same like if-else condition. Suppose I want to check a condition. If that evaluates true, I want to execute some portion of my code, some block of my code, and if that condition treats as a false, I want to execute some other portion of code. So in this situation, we will use ternary operator. Here in a screen, you can see the syntax of ternary operator. There are two operators for ternary operator, and it is having three blocks of code. The left portion of our question mark, that is our expression that we want to evaluate. If that expression evaluates true, it will execute the portion between question mark and colon. And that expression evaluates false, it will execute the last part, that is the right portion of our colon. So this is how ternary operator works. In next lecture, we will learn about the practicals of ternary operator in Ruby.